How to take apart a technical pen. Today I'm going to show you that with my off-brand set. And I do happen to have one pen that is the name brand. It's the red one, the .18 by Rotring. It's an isograph. I use it for very small detail drawings. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you just twist off the cap. Set that to the side. Then twist off the back cap. Make sure you're holding this upright if there's ink inside so it doesn't spill all over the place. Twist this off as well. This is what holds the ink. Set that to the side. Then twist this front cap off. The nib that touches the paper when you're drawing is inside this. Make sure you're careful not to bump the nib on anything, to bend it on accident. And so these are the main pieces and the components that make up the pen. The main part of the pen where the nib is, I won't show in this video how to take that apart because as long as you're running water under it, it's really easy to clean, and it's also really hard to get the nib back inside because once you take the nib out, you have to be very, very precise to get it back in properly. So as long as you're running it under warm water and just rinse it off, you should be fine. I also have some ink here, and this is the ink that I use for the technical pen. And it's an off-brand. It came with this set as well. Remember that when you're using a technical pen, to wash it out regularly so it's easier to take apart, and it'll also keep all the parts in good shape and prevent them from corroding or wearing out. This here is where you fill the ink. It just goes into this little ink holder. This is the ink reservoir. Ink goes in there. And now I'm going to show you how to put it back together. You take the feed system, put that on the ink reservoir. Make sure you're holding it upright. Take the feed cap, place that onto the feed. Be sure not to bump the nib so it doesn't get bent. And then take the body of the technical pen, place that over the ink reservoir, gently twist that on, and then gently take the cap, making sure you don't bump the nib, and gently twist that on. Make sure you don't put it on too tight because you don't want the plastic to crack or the technical pen to get broken. And that's how you take apart and put back together a technical pen.